Brie, me not like you. Me not like you because here what you do, you realize a sick boss dance, you know. Hey, sick boss a dance, you fuck. Pussy in the gas school. You two blood clot dance, you big man. Who write the song them here? Who write the song them? You dance, you fuck. And the worst interview me head at me all time. What I say? What really say? Me not hear you know. Brie, me come to you first. Me hear your artist of what? Me have to say your artist. The kind of your man you are the manager. You see some of the problem them when me hear your thinking mode artist have you as the manager. And your job is not to manage a blow job on the hood. Your job is not to managing cocky in your thinking mode. Your blood clot management skills is not to ride off no blood clot hood up in the blood clot ear like one balloon where you fly away. No, that is not it. You be managing career, not manage blood clot money and teeth. If you say Terro thief, you too. The only reason why you doing silk boss a chase is a silk boss dance and slow. You see, the boy look like him have ADHD. Me pussy clad. Big man like you, silk boss, you're 19. And when him a talk, see Brie, you know. Bridget, me pussy clad. You know, sister, girl, sister, you dance, illiterate, and you bumbo clad, you know if you do nothing to yourself. So this your fucky jam crier, I go come. You think Terro than use you? You not get used yet. This your pussy wall makutia, where you have right here, so look and breathe. As a big old bumbo clad artist like you cannot wipe up them your blood clot half matches box, yeah? Look how girl look. And this say you risk your career for better girl. You one thing, you know, don't style up Jamaican girl, you know. Artist thing. Them hot girl. Everyone a blood clot them. Hot your fuck. If a that you see as an artist, see as you fool your fuck. When Brie teach you about YouTube, Brie, and me nah ask Christ. Me never see up on YouTube yet. You don't know a fucking thing about YouTube. All you do is sit down around silk boss and account blood clot money. Because your sister this is an illiterate blood clot junker too. You silk boss, you should be ashamed. You are for your blood clot manager, you can't even manage yourself. But you take up your career. Give one fucky blood clot girl from B. Where fuck other producers to make you blood clot get a voice. Yeah man. Breathing in a whole heap of video what she did with me. So I like say me the first artist she got in a video with. I mean never hear none of them call her name. First of all, Batman Silk Boss, let me tell you. You see when artists fuck Yamed, them is not like you. Them is nowhere close to you. When they fuck Yamed, they not tell nobody. When they slam out car door and bend you up, nobody no blood clot no, because I'm like artists a come out and a glorify couple Yamed with them blood clot shook them hood in their mouth. You know how much of them big pussy girl I get them out fucking a boy? Holy. All of them a get them blood clot mouth fucking a boy. And then at the end of the blood clot day, you know, you and Brie are gonna come. It won't look like gonna need somebody to look out for no. No can't even manage you no one a blood clot neither because you don't look good. You see me? You look like you need blood clot help. Any money what you say you did a run down silk boss, you can see say you don't blood clot get it because you have one dunce Yamed round you. You and the Yamed dunce, oh you and the Yamed think you're not going to make it in a blood clot life. You see me I say? You say Terro rob you. Where? I could go down in a sun sitting. Jamaican people, so that you sign one contract. Not even. I could not go a contract. Jamaican people, you see what I hear as an artist voice a song for a record label, for feed them rhythm, and them produce it. The song is no longer your song. The song of it, the producer there, The song of a the record label there. Case in point. Missy Bless. I get sued for $10 million. Because lick. The biggest fuckery song. Wherever Bless dance all. They flag him feet. Because she thinks that the woman will sing a song, put you back in it, just a little more. She thinks that she could only go to that giant blood clot over there now. Go say, yo, me hear you sing one song, I put you back in it. I go and take it and put it in my song. The woman say yes. The woman jump up and down with you. She carry on. She lick with you over there. Lick. Everybody a lick. The man will write the song and produce it. What him say? Him never give bless no clearance. Him never give none of them over there so no clearance. The song was written by me, produced by me, hence the song of my song. No care over mouth you hear it a come out. The song is for the man song. So therefore the man can sue you for $10 million. Because song is not like how you think song go. And over mouth you hear it a come out and warn it. Other blood clot people out there will write one song in a mig life. And no for you never know say Vibes Cartel was one of the writer them from Beyonce hit single. Who run the world? Girls. Me a teacher no sitting this morning. Who run the world? Girls. Who run the world? I think you have 5 to 4 right upon that one song. Right? When the man said to bless, say, you have to pay me for me copyright. You feel like say bless can't tell him say the woman did a jump up and down with her. Or the woman did say she can't use this song. And that's a copyright, go man. Copyright have to deal with the person who produced the song, the person who for record label the song under. The song is not your song. That is not your song. Silk Boss, you see this song, what you do, that is not your song. A Terro Don song. It sounds fucked up, you know. But a business, this is the business world, father. You see, if you never know, you should have blood clot ask somebody when you voice for a record label underneath feed them management and feed them studio, all of that, I feed them song and a year one. Every fucking dollar what it make. Remember, enough song when I listen boy, yeah. And things say popcorn own them and a blood clot cartel own them. But one time you see plaque, you can't see it without Zojack's world. And all of them little places because of them are the big outlet. At them produce the song there. The song they are feed them song. You understand me? The artists are gonna get to something what you call credit. Credit for the song because of them do it, I feed them song. But you see when you voice a song for somebody, you see when you voice a song for somebody, you voice it for them. I feed them song now. When make off of the song, I feed them. If they want to give a thing, then give a thing. You see me? So I could get the rules straight first before I talk about Robbins. You see me? You don't come with no Robbins. When you look upon the blood clot sitting, all I'm sang them is owned by Chop City Records. The whole I prove that I said in front of your face. If Chop City Records own all of your song them, all song when out no drop yet, him still can't drop them because he own them. You see true, you know producer, what your name? Your manager. Manager Bree. You come stand up in front of me. Let me ask you because of your management, you know. You see when all of this happen now, manager, this is where you step in. And you try to figure it out for your artist so you can get a little 2 pence. You understand me? Nobody feel like a manager have to come blow off wood and boom off wood. You need to go find one lawyer or so. But you still are going to lose because the real fact is the music is owned by Chop City Records. If Chop City make 1 million, like how now run down business, let me tell you no. You, Bree, will not even look like you got blood clot school. You done say fuck. Come in know how you talk about your father rich and you come on TV look so. If your papa they are foreign and rich so, me don't know how you look like one boil can. You see me I say? You look very bad coming for an interview. Remember, people done there say discuss your dirty blood clot ras. We done bring down your pussy hole and your company blood clot interview. Look like not even half bungler star Australian, but $20 worth. You understand me? 2 stack. Your blood clot look like. You look very bad. And you, if you say you represent your man and your man I represent you, the two of you look bad. You look very fucking bad as a manager. You not manage nothing. Because you can't even manage your blood clot self. Who made Brie your fucking manager? I did. I appoint her. Because he's a fucking idiot. You is a bumbo clot idiot. So at the end of the day, one time you find she to be your manager, what she go manage? All I fuck them when you gear in her mouth. She been a manage them the bumbo clot sitting there. Oh no. Say a Terro Don release on a tape. Wanna stop it? Stop, Cap. You see me? Oh no, what you do? You don't have one little song come out, you don't have no promotion back out. You don't have none of that. You don't can't pay for promotion, so what you do? You don't come with controversy. Drop on a little steel blood class sex tape. Then you don't want to come blame it on people. Me as Terro Don who don't kill this. Pick it up and drop sitting like that. Nobody not even see what blood clot go on with a little Looney Tune sex tape, dog. Move on a bumbo clot. You don't drop the sex tape. It thinks you want to look a song where you drop what day. Did I go blood clot? Nobody now listen to your silk boss. You're a girl clown, one fool, one go-go. You see me? Oh, yo, they rob me up. Terro Don rob you. You rob yourself, you fucking idiot. Look for Megan Thee Stallion broke like dog. Why? Because the bumbo clot agency, what she signed with, the record company, them get everything. No matter what she sing out her stinking mouth. Good morning, baby. No matter what she sing, she have to give the whole light to the blood clot record company. And the record company, we pay for like a monthly car sitting them and pay the rent and so. Remember, a whole heap of artists boy and have nothing. So they need to stop come talk about say producers and this and that rab uno. No! Uno no blood clot sense. Uno want bus so bad. Uno no read fine print. Uno no ask what the blood clot percentage. All you don't want to do a bus. You never think about the business first. You don't come and now go on like say, this year, this rare. Me bumbo clot. Actually, they even fucking know. All of them bumbo clot producer, yeah. When they start about producer, songwriter, and people who own record label, let them get the whole of the money. And them get the whole of the blood clot money. Megan Thee Stallion a ball last year. When brokeness a liquor bumbo clot of foreigner so broke like dog. Why? Because the man what she signed with